Good morning, children. Here I am Akhil Srivastav teaching you 9th Maths number system. Previous lecture I have told you about the rational and irrational, and then I have also told you rational number and irrational number which you can write in P upon Q form, decimal representation. Rational numbers you can write in P upon Q, it is a terminating or it is a non-terminating repeating. Here you are getting the rational numbers of decimal form. You want to write, how will you write this in P by Q form if it is given non-terminating repeating decimal, recurring decimal? For example, I have taken here one example, 0.31 bar. Bar indicate that it is a repeating block. 31 is repeating infinite times and you are not getting the 0. Like this, you can write this will be the question or this will be the question. It is your repeating block. Here 313131 dot 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 in P upon Q form. For the solution you will get, first of all you let it x is equal to 0.3131 dot dot. It is a equation number 1. You will take here one block, it has a 2 digits 31. So you want to take these 2 digits in a whole number, means from right side to left side. So you want to get 2 zeros. You want to get here 2 zeros to reduce it. So multiply equation first. Multiply first by 100. When you multiply first equation by 100, you will get 100x is equal to 31.3131 dot dot. It is equation second. Why here only 2 3 1s, but here I have written the 1 3 1 more, because here infinite 3 1s are present. So 1 3 1 will be replaced, which is coming this side again, because you want to subtract it. So next you subtract first from second. You will get 100x minus x is equal to 31.3131 dot dot minus 0.3131. It is a first equation. 100 minus x. You are getting 99x is equal to 31 minus 0, 31.3131 subtracted. So 31 will be here and x is equal to 31 by 99. It is your P by Q form. Therefore 0.31 bar is equal to 31 by 99. It is P by Q form, a number which you are writing in the P upon Q form. Now we will take this method. Another method in the book, it is given from here. It is a first method and one second method. Any one you can adopt. For the digit, you will get the second equation. You can write 100x is equal to 31 plus 0.3131 dot dot. You can write this 31.3131, you can write like this. So from equation 1 you can write, therefore 100x is equal to 31 plus equation number 1, you know 0.3131 is x, you have let already. So here also you will write, at this place you can write x because of by equation number 1. So now 100x transpose like equation, 100x minus x is equal to 31, linear equation, algebra. So 99x is equal to 31, then x is equal to 31 by 99. So you are getting the same answer what you have got here. So you can adopt this method or this method. For the next example, you see, express express 1.235 bar in P by Q. P by Q, 1 point. Now you see what is the difference between the previous question and this. Here bar is under under the bar 2 3, but decimal place 1 decimal place is extra without bar. So what will you do here? First of all, you let solution for this question will be start from the same. Let x is equal to 1.235 bar. So it is a, first of all, without bar number you want from right side to left side. So multiply first equation by 10. One number is without bar. So by 10 you multiply, you will get the 10x is equal to 12.35 bar. This will be, bar means you can write this as a 10.35, 10x like a previous example, 12.35 dot infinite times you can write. It is equation number 2. I am writing like a previous example which I have told you, you can write bar into the infinite times. So now only the repeating digits are here. So 100 is required. So multiply second by 100. First you remove the without bar number by 10, and now you remove the bar number from right to left. Multiply by 100. So what you 100 into 10, what will you get? Here you are multiplying by 100. So 100 10 is 1000. 1000x is equal to 1235.3535 dot. It is equation third. Here 135 is coming this side, then again 135 is replaced. Now subtract by first method. First method is very simple. Subtract first from, first is not included here because first has a 2 also in the right side. So subtract second, not first, from third. First is, now when you remove the without bar number from right to left, then it is useless. After this it has no use. Your questions will start from here. So first equation, second from the third. Third is a 1000. So you will write 1000x minus 10x. Here is the 10x is equal to 123.35.3535 dot minus what is in the second, 12.3535 dot. It is very important. Dot is very important, otherwise it is rational. So subtract here 990x is equal to 3535 is minus 5 minus 2, you will get 3. 3 minus 1 you will get 2, and then 12. 35 minus 12, you are seeing 35 minus 12, you will get 1 2 2 3. Others are removed. So x is equal to 1 2 2 3 by 990. Here sum of this number is 8. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so it is a simplest form. So therefore you can write 1.235 bar is equal to 1.223 upon 990. It is your final result. It is in the P by Q form. So you are getting here the numbers which is based on the rational number which is repeating decimals. You can write in the P by Q form. Irrational number, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, you can't write in P upon Q form. So pi is not equal to 22 by 7, but when you are taking pi 22 by 7, it is a rational, not irrational. But when it is given in the decimal or pi form, so it is a irrational. Now you are seeing some questions. Find one irrational number. That you know, find one irrational number between 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. Suppose it is given 1 by 7 and 3, irrational number. Irrational number means root are non-terminating, non-repeating. 1 by 7 you can write previous lecture I have told you, I hope you know very well, previous lecture 1.7 is 142,857. 1 by 7 is equal to 0. You can see this very easily. 142,857 bar, and 3 by 7 is equal to 0.3 is here. 7 table 7 4 ja 28. So this 4 will come or not? 7 4 ja 28. So 4 2 8 5 7 and one number is left. It will be 1 here. It is your 2-digit number. Clear? How will you write? Without dividing I am writing. Because of it is a 1. 1 has a fixed value. 1 means 10. 10 upon 7. 7 1 ja 7. It's the first bar. Here 3 means 30 will come here. 30 upon 7. First digit will be what? 7 4 ja 28. It is 4. Then after this is all number will come. 4 2 8 5 7 1. The block will be 6. 6 digits under the block. Now 0.1 and 0.4. Irrational number you write which is greater than 0.1, less than 0. Therefore, one irrational number between 1 by 7 and 3 by 7 is equal to, you can write what? 1 4. You write 2. Here you write 2 3. 0.2 you write 0.2 is greater than 1 and less than 4. And after this any number you write 2 1 3 1 3 1 3 4 times 1 3 ... It is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimals and it is called a irrational number. What is called? Irrational because it is non-terminating, non-repeating. So between rational you can write infinite irrational, and between irrational also you can write the rational. Between irrational also you can write the rational. Now you will see some thing in the examples given, exercise 1.3. In the exercise 1.3, first question, in exercise 1.3, question is given. First question is given. Very simple. Write the following decimals in the form of a decimal and also write is kind of decimal. There are 6 parts. So in the denominator, if there is any number present, you divide and check. Checking is also, if there is 100, 36 upon 100 is given. Very simple. 20 you can write 0.36. It is a terminating. It is a terminating decimal. And same thing is given 1 by 11. 1 by 11 you can't get without division. So 11 by 11 you divide 1 you divide by 11. What will you get? 0.0 ja 1, then 0.100, again 1 0, 100, 11 9 ja 99, plus 1. Okay, again here 1 0 without of decimal, so it is less than this, so one more 0 increasing, the division. Again 11 9 ja 99. So it will be like this. You are getting 0.0909 up to so on. So it is a non-terminating, terminating and recurring or repeating decimal. What type? Like this you can do all the part of this. Second question is given. 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142,857 bar. Find other. Find 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 without long division. So without long division, actual division you want to find, I have told just before it here. When 7 table, 7 4s are 28, so from here 4 you write down. Like this, here also you see 2 by 7 you want. So 0 point, what will be the first? What will be the first 20? 1 ja, what will be the first digit? 7 2 ja 14. Okay, you see where is 2? Here. You write 2 8 5 7 all. 2 8 5 7 you have written. Then rest how many left? 1 4 is left. 1 4 you write down, it is your actual. You divide and check, it will come. Suppose 6 by 7. 6 by 7 you want. What will be the first digit? 60. In the 60, what will be the table of 6? 7. 7 5 ja 35. 7 6 ja 42. 7 7 ja 49. 7 8 ja 56. 8 will come. First number 8 will come. Now you see in your given answer. 8 is here. So 8 5 7 you write down. What is the left? Now how many digits are left? 3. So from the beginning, rest 3 digit also you write here. What is the last 3 digit? 1 4 2. When you divide, you will get this. 8 5 7 1 4. Like this you will complete second. Third question, I hope it is very simple. Third question you can do. Exercise. Express this in P by Q form. Third question, P by Q form, I have told you. Fourth question you can do. Express 0.999. 0.999 ... You want to get in the P by Q form. So you will get a unique solution for this. Unique solution means you apply the same formula for 0.9 bar. What is I have told here? Like this. What is I have told here? 0.9 bar, you let x equal to 0.99 ... Then by 10 you multiply 10x, then subtract, your answer will be 1. So that you do yourself and get what are you getting, unique solution you are getting or not. Question number 5 is here. Question number 5 is given, write and maximum number of the digits 1 upon 17. So you will find out, divide it and get the number of digit blocks. Several examples, P by Q you write. 6th question, 7th question. Write 3 number of decimal represent a non-terminating, non-repeating. Question number 7. Write 3 number whose decimal expression are non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-terminating, any 3 numbers. You can write. Easily you can write 8. Find 3 different irrational number 5 by 7. Question number 8 is given. Between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11, you write the 3 different rational numbers. 3 different rational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So 5 by 7 you write in the decimal form, 9 by 11 you write in decimal form. Then like this, here I have written any number more than this, less than this, more than this and less than this, you write 3 numbers, 1 2 and 3. Okay, second and third, 3 numbers you will write. Okay. Another 9th question is given, very simple. 9th question. Question number 9 is given. In the question number 9, classify. Root 23 is given. Root 23 is a prime number, so it is a irrational. Under root 225. Second part is given under root 225 is given. It is a square of 15. 15 15 is 225, so it is a rational. 0.3796 because it is has a no dots, that's why it is irrational. 7.478478 repeating decimals, that's why irrational. And fifth part is a irrational. Like this you can finish your 1.3 exercise. I hope everything is clear. That's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow or in next video.